In the deep reaches of our solar system, 40,000 kilometers away, orbiting the planet Saturn, exists a moon with a most interesting feature. The moon is Iapetus. This planetary body that defies what we know about moons and planets. Recent images sent from NASA's Cassini probe have revealed a gigantic equilateral ridge circling the equator. The epic proportions of the ridge are not seen anywhere else in the universe. The magnitude of this 20 km high equilateral ridge is almost beyond comprehension. In photographs taken of Iapetus you can clearly see the ridge, visible from space. These are not your Wall of China proportions. Here on Earth, Mount Everest's highest peak is about 9 km. This ridge is double that size and circles almost the entire planet. If you lived near the ridge, one half of the entire sky would be consumed by this monstrosity. Clarke's alien monolith prediction. Author of the 1968-2001, A Space Odyssey, Arthur C. Clarke, writes about Iapetus. In the final chapters of the book, astronaut Dave Bowman finds an enigmatic alien monolith waiting for him on the surface of Iapetus. Did Arthur C. Clarke have access to secret knowledge? It is speculated that some of Hollywood's best writers, including George Lucas and Steven Spielberg, have been privy to accessing secretive occult knowledge. In other words, not all of their ideas are original. It is interesting that Arthur C. Clarke wrote about an alien monolith on Saturn's moon Iapetus, at a time in the 1960s when NASA knew very little about this moon. Then, in 2004 it is discovered an incredible mountain ridge encompasses nearly the entire planet, in what is likely the most bizarre formation in the solar system. What is inside the equilateral ridge? Does an alien monolith await us? Extraterrestrial Particle Accelerator. On Earth, the Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland has a 16-mile tunnel, making it the largest particle accelerator ever built, that is, the largest declassified particle accelerator ever built. This $8 billion project is an enormously powerful particle accelerator capable of smashing subatomic particles together, reproducing the energies that existed a fraction of a second after the Big Bang. Scientists are using the machine to discover the fundamental mysteries about how the universe is put together. But that's not all. There is a growing concern among individuals in the scientific community who warn that the power inside of the Large Hadron Collider could unleash a micro-black hole or a chain reaction fusion process which could destroy the entire planet. No question then, that particle accelerators on Earth have tremendous potential and macroscale power, forces that wield the capability of modifying our planet's local universe in ways never seen before. It is theorized that these massive machines are key to unlocking interdimensional communication, time travel, or even wormholes. In 1998 a researcher, John Quinn, claimed that particle accelerators at a number of underground locations on Long Island, near the Montauk Air Force Station, were being used in conjunction with the HAARP satellite array to create time manipulations and interdimensional experiments. Could a particle accelerator scaled to the size of Iapetus equilateral ridge create a wormhole to another region of our universe? In other words, is the Iapetus equilateral ridge an extraterrestrial particle accelerator capable of interstellar, interdimensional travel? The dynamics that could cause this solar system freak show, the ridge's formation, is unknown. During Cassini's Iapetus flyby that led to the discovery of the ridge, NASA was quoted saying on their website, "Starting surface features is fueling heated scientific discussions about their origin." NASA went on to say that, "No other moon in the solar system has such a striking geological feature." This implications of its bizarre formation could suggest that Iapetus is the subject of an extraterrestrial operation, or of alien origin altogether. Why Iapetus could be of alien construction. Continuing the checklist of extraordinary features of Iapetus, the most important feature of all may be its strikingly rigid, hexagonal shape. Iapetus is seams, has corners and edges, Former NASA consultant Richard C. Holand of the Enterprise mission has brought forward an extensive summary of research highlighting Iapetus' geometric shape. Instead of being spherical, as natural moons larger than about 250 miles across must be, due to inexorable gravitational contraction, the overall 900-mile-wide form of Iapetus is highly geometric. Iapetus appears to be an eroded truncated icosahedron. With this theory established, the interior of the Moon could be entirely manufactured. And it's anyone's guess as to what is inside.